Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by launching Windows Terminal immediately. Open it from Start or press Win and type Terminal. Once open, set your default shell from the drop-down so every new tab uses your preferred tool. Make sure to pin the app to the taskbar for one-click access. This saves time daily. You're now ready to add profiles and adjust appearance, but first confirm your shell works with basic commands like dir or ls so you know the environment is responding. You'll now configure profiles and behavior. Open settings and add a profile for each shell you use. This saves switching later. Once done, assign a clear name and icon so you can pick them fast. Make sure to customize color schemes and font sizes for readability and set your preferred startup directory. Next, define key bindings for split panes, new tabs, and copy-paste to speed workflows. These settings make Terminal feel personal and efficient, reducing friction during work. You finish by mastering tabs and panes for multitasking. Open new tabs, split panes, and rearrange them to mirror your workflow. Once comfortable, export or backup settings. JSON so you can restore layouts later or sync across machines. If something breaks, first kill the unresponsive shell in Task Manager, then relaunch Terminal. If problems persist, reset settings to defaults or remove a problematic profile. This final step ensures you can recover quickly and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.